Good day, everyone. My name is Noor Ashira binti Ishaq. My metric number is 2025163641. So today I would like to present a current issue in talent acquisition titled Driving Excellence in Manufacturing Hiring, the critical role of KSAO Central Pre-Employment Assessment in today's manufacturing industry. Companies are not only searching for workers who can complete tasks, but also employees who are efficient, disciplined, adaptable, and capable of maintaining productivity, workplace safety, and product quality. One of major issues faced by manufacturing companies today is the challenge of hiring suitable employees for demanding industrial environments. Problems such as high turnover, low productivity, workplace accidents, and product defect often happen when organizations recruit unsuitable workers. Respondent companies emphasize the qualified workers bottleneck, current and future, as a sector main challenge ahead of the other factors such as labor costs or material and energy prices, according to Mendes Pedro and Herrera 2023. Therefore, many manufacturing companies now use KSAO Center Pre-Employment Assessment during the hiring process. KSAO stands for Knowledge, Skills, Abilities, and Other Characteristics. Knowledge K refers to the acquisition, absorption, and dissemination of theoretical or practical information relevant to field or activities. Skill, which is S, refers to observable behaviors and abilities enabling efficient activity, executions, and problem solving. Abilities, which is A, pertain to effectively applying technique to accomplish tasks and achieve objective. Other characteristic, which is O, including external and contextual factors such as university partnerships, social network analysis, organizational environment, career planning, education, socioeconomic characteristics, content generations, and training, according to Carroll et al. 2025. This assessment helps employers evaluate whether candidates possess the competencies needed to perform effectively in manufacturing environments. I personally experienced this process before, working in a manufacturing environment related to radio communication and walkie-talkie equipment in Tampur, Johor Bahru. Before I was accepted into the factory, I had to undergo several evaluations, including mathematical tests, speed tests, attention to detail tests, interview, and behavioral assessments. The first component of KSAO is knowledge, which refers to what a person knows about the job. In manufacturing industries, especially electronic and communication equipment manufacturing, workers need to understand safety procedures, production processes, technical specification, and quality control standards. During the recruitment process, I complete a mathematical problem-solving test that evaluate my ability to calculate accurately, analyze situation logically, and solve problems quickly under pressure. This is important because manufacturing employees often need to measure components, read specification, and troubleshoot production issue accurately. The second component is skills, which are learned abilities that help employees perform tasks effectively. In manufacturing environments, important skills include machine handling, product assembly, inspection skills, and equipment operation. Since the factory I work in focused on radio communication and walkie-talkie equipment, employees needed to handle delicate electronic components carefully and follow technical instructions correctly. During the hiring process, I complete a speed test that I measure how quickly I could complete tasks within a specific time, because factories usually operate according to strict production targets and deadlines. Besides speed, I also complete an attention to detail or accurately test, which evaluates my ability to identify small difference, inspect product quality carefully, and follow instruction precisely. This is extremely important in electronic manufacturing because even a small mistake can affect the functionality of communication devices such as radios and walkie-talkie. The third component is abilities, which refer to a person's natural capabilities such as physical stamina, hand-eye coordination, concentration, adaptability, and the ability to work under pressure. Manufacturing work often involves repetitive tasks and handling small components, so workers need strong focus and coordination to avoid mistakes during assembly and inspection processes. The final component is other characteristics, which include attitude, discipline, honesty, teamwork, responsibility, and communication skills. Manufacturing companies highly value workers who are punctual, cooperative, and able to follow instruction properly. During interviews and assessments, employers also observe candidates' personalities and behavior because technical skills alone are not enough for long-term success. There are several reasons why manufacturing companies use KSAO-centered assessment. First, this assessment helps improve productivity because company can select employees who already possesses the required competencies and can adapt quickly to the job. Second, they help improve workplace safety by ensuring workers understand procedures and can handle equipment responsibly. Despite their high innovation potential and growth prospects, startups face considerable risk with only 10% achieving long-term survival, according to Corocoro Language, Kopankov and Junior, Aldo and Silva, Keiko and Lemon, Fernando, 2025. Third, this assessment helps maintain product quality, especially in industries involving electronic and communication devices, where precision is extremely important. Employees with strong attention to detailed skills can reduce production errors and ensure product function properly before reaching customers. In addition, KSAO assessments help reduce employees turnover because employees who are truly suitable for the job are more likely to perform well and remain with the company longer. However, manufacturing industries will face several current challenges in talent acquisition such as labor shortage, skill gaps, recruitment pressure, and stress during assessment. According to Department of Statistics Malaysia (DOSM) 2026, only 94.8% of these positions were filled, marking the lowest occupancy rate among manufacturing subsectors. This left 5.2% of roles vacant, the highest vacancy rate in the sector. The number of openings continued to rise with 5.782 vacancies reported in Q1 2025. Up from 5.746 in Q4 2024. This shows that HR professional and talent acquisition specialists face increasing pressure to address recruitment gaps, particularly and workforce shortages pose challenges to productivity and operational efficiency. Additionally, Aroki Azami et al. 2023 examined HR and practice in manufacturing but did not explore how hiring inefficiencies affected long-term workforce stability. The electrical, electronic, and optical product subsector play a significant role in propelling labor demand, contributing to overall manufacturing sector growth. Many young people view factory work as physically demanding, while modern manufacturing industries increasingly require advanced technical and digital skills. Therefore, companies should continuously improve their hiring methods by updating assessment systems, combining technical and behavioral evaluations, and providing training opportunities for employees. From my personal experience working in factory located in Kampus Baharu, I realized that these assessments were not designed to make the hiring process difficult, but rather to ensure that employees were truly suitable for the positions and capable of meeting the demand of the manufacturing environment. In conclusion, KSAO-centered pre-employment assessment play a very important role in manufacturing hiring processes because they help organizations identify workers who are capable, disciplined, efficient, and suitable for challenges in industrial environments. According to Elorza et al. 2022, found that HIWS positively impacted organizational performance and employee well-being in manufacturing setting, highlighting the importance of leadership involvement in hiring strategies. So this assessment improves productivity, maintain workplace safety, ensure product quality, and contribute to the long-term success of both employees and organizations. Thank you.